of the WL Toys Q272 mini hexacopter. This thing has a 3.7 volt 130 milliamp battery, and it has an on and off switch, and the charge port is in the back. It has a charge time of 50 minutes for a flight time of 4 minutes, and the control distance is around 20 meters. It also has the headless mode. The remote control functions are low speed and high speed, and the flip button. The trim buttons are right here, and by pressing the pitch stick you go into the headless mode, and by pressing it again you come out of the headless mode. So let's check it out. All right. Pretty good. Started it off in low. There's the yaw in low. It's drifting with the wind. Here's the yaw in high. I'll bring it back. And there's the pitch in high. Very similar to the MJXX 900 hexacopter. In fact, this hexacopter by WL Toys is slightly bigger than the X900. Alright, it's not bad. Well, trying to do a flip here. It will not do a flip. Huh. Nope, I can't make it do a flip. Well, let's try the headless mode. Yep, the headless mode works. And let's get out of the headless. Huh. Why won't it do a flip? I don't know. I'm pressing the button. Nope. It will not do a flip for me. Okay, and some speed passes then. It says it has a 4-minute flight time, so with 130 milliamp battery, so that's around right. We don't want to fly around too much. And let's test one thing out here.